everyone, welcome back to our channel. In the previous videos we have learned about many technologies. So in this video I am going to share with you my insights on generative AI workshop which was conducted by the Nextwave. In this generative AI workshop we have learned what is generative AI applications, and we have created a chatbot by using open source AI from Google Colab and Hugging Face, etc. So let us know what is a generative AI. A generative AI is the combination of knowledge of 1 billion websites, millions of books and Wikipedia. It has the capability of creativity, problem solving, analytic thinking, and we can say simply it is like a super intelligent human. So it has many applications like text generation, video generation, image generation, music recreation, etc. So simply we can create a movie by using these tools. First let us see some tools like Writer, which is used to generate a text by giving a simple description. It is very faster tool to write simple blocks. In this we can write stories, we can create a song, we can build our resumes, etc. And DAL E2, which is used for the image generation tool. By giving a simple natural description we can create a image. And Music Zen, which is used to recreate the music. And Runway ML, it is used for the video generation. We have many tools like Jasper, Copy AI, etc. for the text generation. And etc. tools are used for generating these video generation, text generation, etc. And we created this chatbot by using the Google Colab OpenAI source code and Hugging Face, etc. By in this we have the nuts and bolts like LLM, Gradio, Google Colab, Hugging Face, etc. So let me show my code how I created a chatbot by using this generative AI workshop. Thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity to the next wave. I am very happy to tell about these generative AI workshop insights, and I am very happy to say that I have created a chatbot with your support. Thank you.